Hello, welcome back guys to my channel, and today we'll be doing an eyeshadow tutorial. Today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Okay, right now I'm going over her eyelid. I'm just priming her eyelid with a benign clone white eyeshadow primer. That's basically what I use to prime my lids. And I'm blending it out with my hands. I just love using my hands to blend out my eyeshadow primer. So I'll blend, make sure it's well blended because I love it well blended. Now for transition, I'm just using a very soft brown shade for my transition. I wouldn't want to use something very dark, just a light brown shade for my transition. And I'm not applying pressure on the brush, I'm just being gentle. I'm using my brush gently, like I'm not applying much pressure. I'm going in a circular motion to apply my transition. Now for the base, I'm just applying this baby pink shade on her lid. I'm applying the light purple shade. Now for our outer lid, I'm just applying a darker color, a wine color, to make it look more intense, like to make the contour look more intensified. Yeah guys, this is finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you to know how to apply your eyeshadow. It's very beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much.